All right, we look at this problem, number 76. The directions did tell us how to solve it, but I'm going to pretend like it didn't. It just told me to solve this equation. So I look at this equation, and I have an x squared minus 1 equals negative x. Because I have this x squared, I want to use the null factor law and make this thing equal to 0. So I got x squared plus x minus 1 equals 0. So now I'm in quadratic form. I set it up in diamond. I got negative 1 and 1. So I look and I go, the factors of negative 1 are 1 and negative 1. That does not add up to 1, so I can't use factoring to do this. So I say, okay, I'm done with that. I cross that out. So then I have to think of another way to solve this. And the way to solve this is to use our quadratic formula. You guys all know the song. You should have this quadratic formula absolutely memorized. It's x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, even right now in my head, I'm singing the song, but I'm not going to sing it on here because I don't want that on record. Remember quadratic formula, it has to be in the quadratic form, ax squared plus bx plus c. So if we looked at this one, our a is this term right here, our b is this term right here, and our c is this term right here. So A equals 1, B equals 1, and C equals negative 1. So we just take this quadratic formula that we have memorized, and we say negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 minus 4 times 1 times negative 1, all divided by 2 times 1. So this becomes, we're going to go through and simplify it all. 1 minus 4 times 1 times negative 1 is 1 minus a negative 4, which is 5. So it's negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 all over 2. That's our two answers because that can be rewritten in two different ways as negative 1 plus the square root of 5 divided by 2, or negative 1 minus the square root of 5 all divided by 2. All right, so make sure you guys know your quadratic formula. Make sure you know if diamond does not work, then just use quadratic formula. You could use other things like completing the square and stuff like that, but we all know the quadratic formula is the easier one.